Today, I got my Bloveslife sauce. Yes, it came in the mail. I've been having it for about like, I don't know, I guess I've been having it since the last time they had it up on Amazon. I had got some, and my niece had got some. My niece, she has already opened hers up, and she mixed hers up already. I told her, well, go on, give me a little bit of your sauce so I can go and do me a video. You know, if I can go on and try it. I haven't opened up mine yet, but yeah. I got it on deck, as Bloveslife would say. Got it on deck. Got that good, that yum on deck. But yeah. But I got my sauce right here, though. I can't wait to... My niece is not big on onions, but she went ahead on and said she wanted to make the sauce exactly the way that Bloveslife made it. So, she did. She got the garlic in there and the butter and the onion, and I said, okay, I'm going to try it, but I got me a little feast going on. I got out the house, ran some errands, and I was going to do seafood. But I went ahead on and stopped and got me, because the grocery store here, the Brookshires grocery store here where I stay, they have the best catfish. So I went up in there, got me some catfish. Woo. Got some catfish, and I got some chicken. And these cornbread sticks that they have, they are so good. You don't even have to warm them up. These cornbread sticks are so good. And I got me some ranch style beans. I got some ranch style beans that I'm putting this cornbread in. But I'm going to go ahead on and just try this sauce real quick. Okay. Get into this sauce. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. My niece done a good job. She got the garlic in here and the onion. Well, I'm going to try it. So, it tastes good. It tastes good. I don't do the spicy. So my niece, I'm glad she chose to do this one, but that tastes good. Tastes good, Bloveslife. You did the thing, girl. I'm a OG subscriber of hers, so it's the beautiful thing. You know, when you pretty much, I've been tuning in since day one when she started off doing it in her kitchen. And you know, and it's just something how, you know, it's just beautiful how all her family is now also involved, and they're a strong family unit, teamwork, because they kind of really didn't want to be all in front of the camera, and they really wasn't into the YouTube thing like that at first, but it tastes good. And I made some greens, but oh well, they're gonna have to set out today. I'll catch the greens next time. Yeah, this sauce is got some goodness going on with this sauce here. All right, now be left. That's good. It's good. I can eat that. Cause I know that now my niece had got the spicy kind before, and I I did a video and I did it with seafood. I don't still have the video. I had deleted it by accident. But it was it was spicy. So I have tried the spicy one. Like I said, my niece had got it. I'm going to look on my laptop and see if the video is still there. It was good. My niece had got some king crab, lobster tail, and prawns, and she shared with me, and she shared the sauce. But like I said, I didn't know it was Bloveslife sauce. She told me afterwards, because I was like, "Oh, this is so hot, I can't finish it." It was good, but that's what it was. That's what it was. Yeah. I had to stop by. I look here where I stay. The Jack in the Box here where I stay. I always go there whenever I can get a chance and get me a high C. Cause I love high C. Yes, I do. I love it. I always go there and get one. I don't know why McDonald's stopped having their orange high C. You would think they wouldn't do that. I mean, you know, it's like pretty much they cater to like kids and family. Kids pretty much. So why would you take your high C orange off of the menu and put some soda on there? That's crazy to me. Oh, you can just sop it up on this bone and suck it off. I don't know why they. That's good. It tastes good. Yes, got my picnic set up. That's why I was like, picnic with me, boo. I got a whole back banner thing and everything that I got I got a whole a picnic blanket with my name on there. But I'm gonna fix that all up so that can be at the back of my videos. Even tastes good on a pickle. But I hope everybody's day been going well. I got me some tartar sauce. Got the tartar sauce. It tastes good. That's the brand that it is. Got me a breast. Yeah. You gotta love them breasts. Yeah. Cause I know I have to get off in this sauce. So I had to get me a breast. Yeah. She done good. My niece putting all this. She done good. And I said, girl, you whipped it up good. Real good. I love onion and garlic too, but probably I'm not gonna make. Well, she had made her whole package. She told me, and she got some individual containers because she's not gonna be eating it all at one time. So she just got some little compartment containers and poured the sauce in each one of them and put it. And she's freezing it, so whenever she want one, she'll take one down. Cause she was like, no, Bilo said it'll taste even better as you freeze it or whatever. But I'm just gonna give me a little bit out of mine as I go and make it as I go and eat it as I go. I guess the first time I do it, I'll probably just go ahead on and do it and won't worry about no onion and garlic. And then the second time I do it, I might, you gotta just switch it up. Switch it up. This is good. This is good. Got my beans. I love the combination of fish and chicken. The Sweet Sue's here where I stay. I go in there just so I can sit down, relax, give me some fish, chicken, and they have a chicken fried steak there is good too. And all the vegetables and stuff in a salad. But I just love the combination of fish and chicken. I do. That is so good. I already know I was going to have some leftovers. Eat it later. So good, so good, so good. It tastes good. Oh yeah. Oh, look at it. I got me some garlic and onion good right there. That's good. Don't hurt yourself now. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah, I got me. When I went in the store, I told the lady I wanted some chicken and fish. And I made sure I got a breast, honey, because I want to make sure I soak up all this goodness. Got me a breast, honey. Yeah, yes. I want some good cornbread sticks that they have at this grocery store where I stay. I got some chalk for me to write on my board, like what the menu is or whatever for the day, but I didn't even write on it. I didn't even get to. I was gonna write it next time I just sat down and started eating. But you get the idea, you know, picnic with me, boo, you know. That is what it is. That's what it is. That's good. I'm already getting full. It was good. So, try to get you some Bloveslife sauce. Got all the stuff on the back. Can you wait? Oh yes, we got the instructions on the back. But there it is. But I'm getting full. The sauce tastes good. I'm gonna give me some seafood eventually. I love shrimp and grits, so it's probably what I start off with is the shrimp and grits. I went to the casino and they had some shrimp and grits in Louisiana, and I tried it. And I was like, that tastes good. So, yeah, I'll be eating shrimp and grits. I'll be getting my shrimp and grits on. No. Be getting my shrimp and grits on. Tell me something good. Tell me if you like it. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Okay. That was good. It was all to the good. So get you some sauce, yeah. If your day didn't start off great, it's not too late. You better make it great, okay? Because you know, like I know, I am for sure. Oh, it rhymes. All right. Be blessed. Have a good day.